To sell Bitcoin on Binance, you will need to have a Binance account and some Bitcoin in your Binance wallet. First, go to the Binance website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the Exchange tab at the top of the page and select the Bitcoin market you want to trade in. Next, navigate to the Sell section and choose the type of order you want to place. Either a limit order or a market order. A limit order allows you to set the price at which you want to sell your Bitcoin, while a market order will sell your Bitcoin at the current market price. After selecting the type of order, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell and the price at which you want to sell it. If you are placing a limit order, then review your order details to ensure everything is correct and click the Sell button to place your order. Your order will then be listed on the Binance order book, where it will be matched with a corresponding buy order. Once your order is matched, the sale will be executed and the proceeds will be credited to your Binance account. It is essential to note that Binance charges a small fee for each transaction, which will be deducted from the proceeds of your sale. Additionally, you should always use two-factor authentication to secure your account and never leave large amounts of Bitcoin on an exchange. Finally, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a secure wallet or bank account as soon as possible after the sale is complete. By following these steps, you can easily sell your Bitcoin on Binance and take advantage of the platform's liquidity and security. To get the best price for your Bitcoin, it is recommended that you place a limit order slightly below the current market price. This will increase the chances of your order being matched quickly. Also, keep an eye on the market trends and adjust your price accordingly to avoid losses. In conclusion, selling Bitcoin on Binance is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, you can securely and efficiently sell your Bitcoin and achieve your financial goals.